Cleaning your bike chain is an essential part of bicycle maintenance that ensures smooth riding and prolongs the life of your bike. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to clean a bike chain. Understanding the importance of a clean bike chain. Before diving into the cleaning process, it's crucial to understand why keeping your bike chain clean is so important. A dirty chain can cause poor gear shifting, increased wear and tear on the drivetrain, and a less efficient ride. Dirt and grime also accelerate the wear of the chain and sprockets, leading to more frequent and costly replacements. Tools and materials needed. Bike stand, optional but recommended. Degreaser, old toothbrush or a chain cleaning tool. Rags or paper towels. Lubricant specifically designed for bike chains. Gloves and safety glasses, optional but recommended. Step-by-step guide to cleaning a bike chain. 1. Secure your bike. Place your bike on a stand or flip it over so it rests on the seat and handlebars. 2. Inspect the chain. Before cleaning, inspect your chain for wear and damage. Look for stiff links, rust, or excessive grime. 3. Apply degreaser. Apply a generous amount of degreaser to the chain. If you have a chain cleaning tool, fill it with degreaser and run the chain through it. Otherwise, use an old toothbrush to scrub the chain. 4. Scrub the chain. Scrub the chain thoroughly, making sure to reach between the links and rollers. Don't forget to clean the cassette and chain rings. 5. Rinse the chain. After scrubbing, rinse the chain with water to remove the degreaser and loosened grime. Avoid directing a high-pressure water stream directly at the bearings. 6. Dry the chain. Dry the chain completely using rags or paper towels. This is crucial to prevent rust. 7. Lubricate the chain. Once the chain is dry, apply a bike-specific lubricant. Drip the lubricant onto each link while slowly rotating the pedals backward. Wipe off any excess lubricant with a rag. 8. Check for proper function. After lubricating, check the chain for proper function by shifting through all the gears. Cleaning your bike chain regularly is vital for maintaining the performance and longevity of your bike. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient ride. Regular cleaning and lubrication of your bike chain will save you money in the long run by preventing premature wear and tear. Frequently asked questions. How often should I clean my bike chain? It depends on your riding conditions. Generally, clean your chain every few weeks or after riding in wet or muddy conditions. Can I use any degreaser or lubricant? It's best to use products specifically designed for bike chains, as they are formulated to protect the chain and components. What if my chain is rusty? If the rust is superficial, cleaning and lubricating may suffice. However, if the rust is severe, you might need to replace the chain. Should I remove the chain for cleaning? It's not necessary to remove the chain for regular cleaning. However, for a deep clean, removing the chain can be beneficial. How do I know if my chain needs replacing? Use a chain checker tool to measure wear. If the chain is stretched beyond the manufacturer's recommendation, it's time for a replacement. By incorporating these practices into your regular bike maintenance routine, you can enjoy a smoother ride and prolong the life of your bike's components. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.